Hey Datum-Tech squad, welcome back. Today, we're going beyond the hype to uncover what the data really says about how AI is changing human behavior. This isn't just about ChatGPT, it's about you, me, and how fast this tech is reshaping the way we think, work, and create. Forget everything you thought you knew about who's logging into the AI world. While the game is changing, the demographics are not what the hype suggests. When ChatGPT first launched, the user base, like most early tech adopters, was predominantly male, and that remains true today, with most surveys showing men still make up the majority of users, closer to 60% to 70%. The shift isn't a gender flip, it's a massive expansion. AI is becoming a universal tool, and as it gets integrated into productivity apps, the user base is diversifying rapidly. More critically, the youth are driving the revolution. The age group between 18 and 34 accounts for the largest portion of users, proving that the next generation is integrating AI into their daily lives from the start. We're also seeing a quiet surge in use across developing countries, a huge step toward bridging the digital divide. What are people really doing with this insanely powerful tool? It's not all complex coding and astrophysics. The data shows that the most popular use cases are surprisingly practical and productivity-focused. The top use cases consistently revolve around two categories: summarization and creative writing. People are using AI to draft emails, reports, and social media content, making AI their new co-author and editor. The data also confirms a major genuine shift. People are absolutely using generative AI like a search engine, or more accurately, a knowledge synthesizer. Asking for explanations, quick information, and general assistance accounts for a huge chunk of conversations. When users are generating text, they are most often looking for drafting professional communications, followed by creative content and ideation. The bottom line, AI is your new personal assistant, helping you write better and understand faster. Now, let's face the monster in the server room: energy consumption. Alright, let's talk about the monster in the server room: energy consumption. AI is changing the world, but it's sucking down electricity like nothing we've ever seen. We're building data centers at a record pace, and the continuous operation and cooling demand is creating a hidden cost. Projections from credible sources warn that if the current exponential growth continues, the power consumed by AI could soon rival the consumption of entire mid-sized nations. The energy crisis comes down to one phase of AI: inference, or running the models. While training the models is an intensive one-time burst, it's the continuous, daily running of large models that accounts for the vast majority of the operational power draw. That's why we need a power source that is stable and 24/7. Solar and wind are great, but they're intermittent. Enter the hero from below: geothermal energy. This is the clean power that doesn't rely on the sun shining or the wind blowing. It's the constant, massive heat stored in the Earth's core. Tech giants are already on it, partnering to build geological power stations that can offer always-on, stable baseload power for data centers. This matters because geothermal slashes the carbon footprint, offers stable power 24/7, all year round, and isn't affected by weather. Imagine the future: data centers built right on top of geothermal power plants, with the Earth itself feeding the digital minds. That's the clean tech future we're pushing for. You know how Xiaomi is always innovating? Well, they didn't just drop the new T-series phones. They delivered a feature that genuinely feels like science fiction, and it's all wrapped up in a true flagship killer: the 15T Pro's game-changing specs. The all-new Xiaomi 15T Pro is a beast built for performance and durability. This phone has an elegant, sub-8 mm thin design with an aluminum frame, a glass fiber back, and a full IP68 dust and water resistance rating. The display is a gorgeous 6.83-inch AMOLED panel with thin bezels and a blistering 144 Hz refresh rate that looks stunning even under direct sun, thanks to a peak brightness of 3,200 nits. Under the hood, it's powered by the mighty MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus processor with 12 GB of RAM, running Xiaomi's new HyperOS on top of Android 15. This is a practical powerhouse. Whether you're gaming for hours or multitasking, the advanced 3D Ice Loop cooling system keeps everything stable and cool. The camera system, co-developed with Leica, is incredible. A 50-megapixel main lens, a 12-megapixel wide-angle, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens offering up to 5x optical zoom ready to shoot sharp 4K video at 120 frames per second. Forget faster processors for a second. The mic drop moment is the Xiaomi offline communication feature. This is the ability to make voice calls with other phones in the same series, even when there is zero cellular or Wi-Fi coverage. The phone uses its advanced super antenna array and Surge T1S tuner to essentially turn your phone into a powerful, long-range walkie-talkie. In open, unobstructed environments, this network-free connection works up to 1.9 kilometers. This is emergency-level preparedness built right into your daily driver. In a world where natural disasters can knock out communication towers, this is an indispensable lifeline. It's all powered by an efficient 5,500 mAh battery that can genuinely last for up to 2 days of moderate use. And while you do have to buy the charger separately, the 90W wired hypercharge gets you a full tank in just 36 minutes. The only catch: this impressive flagship faces a challenge from the imminent launch of the Xiaomi 17 series, equipped with Android 16. The 15T Pro is a massive leap in utility, but for those who always chase the absolute latest tech, the decision might be a tough one. So, are you ready for the next evolution of connectivity, powered by an Earth-friendly grid? Let me know in the comments, which is a bigger game changer, network-free phones or geothermal AI? Hit that like button, subscribe to Datum-Tech for more data deep dives, and I'll catch you next week.